want to talk to you about today is a solar funnel cooker. This was developed by Dr. Jones from Brigham Young University from the physics department several years ago. So what I want you to think about is suppose your power goes out and you want to have some way to cook and you have a difficult time finding wood or something like that. So when we were in Florida, we'd have hurricanes come through or tornadoes, and so we started playing around with this idea that we found that he had made while he was a professor at BYU. So I'm going to show you how to construct one and then how you can use it. Basically, I made some adaptations. You can just make this out of cardboard with aluminum foil, but in this case, I just took a sun screen that you can put in your car, and it's a nice thing about it, it's already shaped and covered for you. Some of the new ones are made out of real flimsy material. They have just kind of foam or something in them. This has cardboard in it, so it's much easier to manipulate and move around. And the other ones, I've had to add some stiffening to the back of it with some duct tape, like some cardboard or something like that. But once you do it, you're going to take half of it, and you're going to put some Velcro on the bottom strip, just like you see here. And then on the other half, on the back, you're going to do the same thing. And then we're just going to kind of roll them around together and attach them to make a funnel. So I'll try to do that now. You kind of pull the sides together, and we're going to just attach them along equal lines. And so now we've got the funnel made, and we can open it up, and we'll have a funnel just like this. So we can put something in the bottom and open it up so that it will, the sun can reflect inside of it and heat up what we're cooking. Now, what I'm going to put on the inside to help with the cooking process is a little container you can get at a little shelf rack you can get at the dollar store or something like that, because I'm going to be setting a quart jar on top of it. So that goes down in the bottom of it. I'm going to put that in the bottom. And then I'm going to take a quart jar, and if you've seen some of our other videos, my wife Diane has been canning all kinds of food and stuff, and so I picked up one of her jars and I painted it black, flat black, so that it will absorb the heat very well. And then what you're going to do is what you want to put inside of it could be water. We've heated water for doing our dishes. We've boiled water in it. We have put stew in it. We put beans in it, hot dogs. I'll send you a link on the site that shows you where you can get a download instructions on how to do this. And he has a record of the stuff that he was cooking in it while he was taking breaks in the wintertime at Brigham Young University in Provo, Utah, when it was very cold. So anyway, we'll put our material in here. And what makes this unique is what he did is he took a turkey cooking bag, one of those plastic cooking bags, and he put his food inside of it, and then he would take the air out of it, make sure nothing would keep the air in it. But he would close it at the top and make sure that nothing was touching it, because what this does is makes it like a convection oven. And then he would take his little clip, or whatever he had. You could use a clothespin or something like that. I'm just using just a little clip, and I'll just close the top of it, and then you could just set it on the sun. I've seen some that have used this because they put this into third world countries, and I've seen some that have used this, and they'll just put them on the beach or by a lake or something in the sand, and they have 4 or 5 of them sitting out there, one making some soup or something, cooking some food on it. But what we'll do here is we'll just basically take the same thing and we'll put it in a 5-gallon bucket. And then as we stuff it in the bucket, it'll just sit in there, and then we can use the bucket to easily rotate it around wherever we want to, wherever the sun is shining. We'll come back and do that several times during the day. Doesn't take too long. On his website, or the site I'm going to give you, it will show you the things he's made and how long it has taken to cook it. But we did this for, we did a lot of stuff I'm going to be showing you. We did it for a whole week to find out what worked the best. We have a commercial cooker that does the same thing, which you can do, actually, you can do some more things with it. But this was so easy to set up, and it worked just as well as that commercial cooker. So this is a solar funnel cooker. When you take it out, make sure you wear gloves, because it's going to be very hot, and unscrew that thing, and then you'll have your dinner ready. So have a good day.
Oh, she walks through the corn, leading down to the river. Her hair shone like gold in the hot morning sun. She took all the love that a poor boy could give her, and left me to die like a fox on the run.